next topic we're going to discuss is something that we all argue about DJs. Some of us get mad at sync, you know, the advancement of DJ technology. What are your thoughts on the advancement of DJ technology to the point that things have gone from turntables to controllers to needles to now fades?
It's just a tool. Like Jeff said, it's just a tool. You just pick your poison and go.
Are you hooping in Kobe's or are you hooping in the rap?
Exactly.
Give it back to the ball.
I mean, it was actually, I think I would argue it was harder for I consider myself middle school. Jeff is old school. I'm 45. I'm not going to age him right now. But I think we're the two oldest farts in the stream right now. And in the middle school, like I did carry crates because I started in 95, right? But my husband and I were the first to get on Final Scratch when it came out. And we were hated on.
Oh my God.
But we were like, at the same time Final Scratch came out, we were in Amsterdam at this place where they bring musicians to create their dream instrument. And what we were beginning to work on was a MIDI turntable, because that's what we wanted. And while we were out there, we saw this article that Richie Houghton was working on Final Scratch and with Stanton, and we were like, oh, that, okay, well, thanks, Amsterdam, but we're gonna go use this. And then of course Serato and all that. It takes the handcuffs off. It's a tool, but if you're good, you're good. No matter, so you could have the best tools and suck, like Jeff said, or you could have how I started, which was on an MTX mixer with a rigged fader and a really crappy turntable with like no motor going on. And that's how I learned. You learn what you learn on, and you work with you just got to get good at whatever you have, you know? So it's a tool. And the only people that are having problems with this are the old farts, in my opinion. It's those that are just like, back in my day, you know, but whatever. Do your thing. And that's really what matters. That, and on sync, I will say, being a teacher, what I tell people when they ask me, because I teach how to beat match manually also, it's not about, like what Jeff said, it's not about the audience. The audience does not give a crap, you know, what you're using as long as they're dancing. The difference that's made is within you as the DJ. So if you learn how to beat match manually, it gives you a much higher level of confidence that you can sort of handle anything that comes at your way in a live setting. So the more skills you learn, the more confidence you have. The more you practice intentionally, it has to be intentional and deliberate practice, but the more you practice, you're gonna have more confidence. So it's all about the changes happen within you, whether you're using sync or manual beat matching. That said, you could be an amazing DJ and just use sync and never beat match manually, and maybe you have tons of confidence and you don't need that, and that's fine too. So, but I mean, that's my perspective on it.